I'm Katia, and I will guide a short grounding meditation for you. You can always find 5 minutes of your time to relax. Sit up straight on your chair and place your feet flat on the floor. Straighten your back, your head reaching up to the sky. Slowly and softly close your eyes. Once your eyes are closed, imagine yourself in a wide open space. It can be a desert or a seashore or on top of a mountain. Anywhere you feel comfortable, anywhere you feel at ease. Observe this space and look at the horizon. Everywhere around you, you can see the horizon, and this gives you a feeling of expansion. You are alone. You are comfortable. You are at ease. Now inhale all the way into your stomach. Inhale through your nose, your chest, and into the stomach. If you're not used to breathing through your stomach, you can simply imagine, visualize that the air is going down into your stomach. Notice how the air is entering your nose, down into your chest and into your stomach, and how the air is leaving your stomach up through your chest and out of your nose. Allow yourself to observe your breath, inhaling and imagining that you are breathing in blue color. Exhaling and imagining, visualizing you are breathing out pink color. Inhale blue, exhale pink. Inhale blue, exhale pink. Breathing in and breathing out, and as you are observing your breath, your mind calms down and you release the thoughts, and you imagine, you visualize a bright sun above your head, and you imagine that you are inhaling the bright energy through the top of your head into your throat, your heart, and you hold this brightness inside your heart. And then you exhale it down into your stomach, your lower stomach, your knees, your feet, and into the center of the earth. One more time, you inhale the brightness above your head, through your head, your throat, into your heart, and you hold your breath inside your heart. And then you exhale down into your stomach, your lower stomach, your feet, and into the center of the earth. And you can allow yourself to make any sounds as you're exhaling, breathing in the sky, exhaling down into the earth, relaxing into your breath, enjoying your breath. That's it. One breath at a time, focusing on the present moment, for the present is a gift. Thank you for meditating with me. If you're interested in more 5-minute meditations, connect in the link below.